Welcome back here again. I want to show you how you can use Google Omni to generate amazing videos inside Google Flow, right? You can use this process I'm going to be showing you right now to generate a highly realistic UGC videos or brand influencing video or video advertisement or AI film making as well. Follow it step by step as I'm going to be showing you the process right away. And if you've not watched the video on how I generated all of this amazing e-commerce pictures right here, I recommend you just watch that video right here, right inside this project, right? So I'm currently building an e-commerce website for a cosmetics brand. So these are the cosmetic products from the brands, but I have to use this amazing platform to optimize all the images first of all before I start using them right on the web application that I'm currently building. I'm going to be using any of these cosmetics products and turn it into a video output whereby a lady will be applying it right on her body. Let me show you how you can do that and do it well. First things first, I have to give an instruction for the video I'm going to be generating right now. I'm going to create a new session right here. I have to give an instruction to the AI agent for it to work with, right? So I have already prepared my instruction and this is it. So I have to tell it to use the uploaded product image as a exact reference for the Jordana powder bronzer packaging, keeping the brand name, logo, everything intact, right? So at the end of the day, I'm going to be uploading a lady's picture, that is a woman picture that will be applying any of the cosmetic products on her body. I can use any of this, but I don't want to be doing that for now. So I have to save the instruction. Then I have to click on the plus right here to upload an image of the person I want to use. This is the person I'm currently uploading her picture. Then I have to start writing my instruction over here, and this is the instruction I'm going to be working with. So okay, this is the person I want to use as the model to apply any of these products right on herself. So the instruction says use the uploaded product image. Then let me reference the image I want to use. Okay, I want to be using this PK. I want to be using this PK, and I have to also use to reference the image directly. Use the uploaded product image as the reference, as the exact reference for Jordana powder. Okay, this is not Jordana, this is PK product packaging. So I'm going to change it to PK. Please, all these little instructions or informations are very important, right? Because the AI is going to be looking at all of these pictures, and if you made a mistake from your test or from your prompt right here, the mistake is also going to affect the output, right? So as I'm using PK right here, I must have to use PK instead of Jordana because I have two different products right inside this place. Okay, so as the exact reference for the PK packaging, keep the brand name, logo, product color, label, container, shape, and everything. Then the video is going to be a 20-second commercial video with 2 cents only. So I only want to use 2 cents to output the overall images, making it 20 seconds. But I have to cut it cent by cent, cent 1 and cent 2, because the AI cannot generate 20 seconds video straight away. So I'm currently going to be using cent 1 first, a beautiful young woman in a clean, softly lit room before applying the product. Let me reference the woman right here. So this particular person, she's my model. So after giving all the instructions that I want to use, I have to remove the cent 2 for now, right? Let me cut it off because I don't want the AI to be confused. So I don't want the AI to apply any of this. That's why I said negative prompt, right? So once you see negative prompt, it knows that it cannot apply any of the instruction that I give on that negative prompt. So the final result should feel like a premium beauty commercial for a trusted cosmetic brand with a smooth before and after transformation and a luxurious professional finish. Work on the cent 1 for now. I will provide you with the content for cent 2 afterwards. Okay, so that the AI will know that it's only working for cent 1, which is 0 to 8 seconds output. Another important setting is that I have to check my video generation output. Where do I want to use the video? Is it on YouTube or is it any other platform? So I can use YouTube platform, which uses 16.9 output ratio, or another platform that uses 9.16, like Facebook or TikTok or Instagram, right? So any of the platforms that you want to optimize the video for, you can go with the output ratio over here. So I'm using this YouTube platform. That is why I'm choosing this, and I want the output results to be just 1. Okay, and I'm using Omni Flash. Omni Flash is the latest AI model from Google Flow, right? So I have to save the settings before I now proceed to work on it. The agent is asking me to allow you to proceed with the generation. It costing me 25 credits. I have to approve it. Right now, Google Omni is done generating the video. Let's see the results. Wow, you can imagine that, guys. This is fantastic, guys. So this is for the 8 seconds that I tell him to generate, as you can see right here. So let's work on the second scene, which is from 8 seconds to 20 seconds, right? Using this whole instruction that I also gave right here. So the scene 2 says the woman is now in a modern, stylish sitting room after her bath, dressed elegantly and sitting at ease in a premium lifestyle setting. She applies the PK product to her face using a soft makeup brush, right? Just as you can see from the pictures that we are using for the reference. I'm already using 16.9 aspect ratio, but I want to change it to 9.16 this time around, and I save it, right? So let's see if it can make a mistake, because I'm trying to test the AI understanding of, you know, navigating through the settings aspect of it, right? So I used 16.9 rather on my first scene. Then second scene should be 9.16. So actually the overall scene is 9.16 because I'm optimizing the video for Facebook, TikTok and Instagram posts, not for YouTube. I will later change the first scene output ratio to 9.16. So I have to save the instruction and proceed. So the agent is still asking that, would you like me to kick off this one video generation costing 30 credits? I approve it. Interesting. It's already showing that the output ratio is 9.16, as you can see right here. The agent adapted to the settings of this section, right? So guys, interesting. Look at it here. It's done, and let's see. Wow, this is fantastic, guys. This is amazing for real. This is amazing. So I'm going to be changing the output ratio of the first scene to be 9.16 so that I will merge two of them at the end of the day using my video editing tools. Another thing I noticed is the consistency of these models that I use right here. They actually look very much identical, especially this first one and the original picture that I use as the model, right? So as you can see, I want you to change the output ratio of the scene 1. So let me mention the scene 1 and add it to the prompt. So let's see if you can successfully turn this YouTube version of it into TikTok and Instagram aspect of it. This is amazing, guys. So I have to execute the prompt, but this is not recommended anyway. This approach is not really recommended because number one is that you are consuming your AI credits, and secondly, as you can see, another generation is costing me another 25 credits, something I would have done initially when I was generating the first scene, right? So this is not recommended, but I myself am trying to test and observe the level of intelligence or the level of adaptability this platform have. That's why I'm doing it like this, right? So interesting, it's already showing the output ratio size to be 9:16 or 9.16 rather. So guys, this is very amazing. Look at the same one right here and look at the original aspect ratio that I used. So I think the consistency is what I will give 120% accurate, not just 100%, because how can you tell me that this is actually giving the same result, the same outlook, the same everything the product is not changed, the outlook is not changed, the visual colors, the consistency, the lady body color, the facial identity and everything is accurately the same. This is amazing, guys. So what I have to do is just to download the two videos and now merge them together using CapCut. So if I click on this, I can only download in 720 pixel and also this one as well. Let me download this one as well. So guys, what do you think about this Google Flow platform? I think this is the best model for image and video generations right now. I just hope that they will make this feature available right on the API so that developers like us can, plug into it and do more amazing things on our apps. So if you have any difficulties implementing any of these strategies or process that I've shown so far, you can drop it right on the comment section and let's see how we can help you out. So you can also watch my video on how I was able to turn all these cosmetic products into a high premium visual outlook, just as you can see right here, because the original pictures are not looking like this. I hope you learned so much about this video, and let me know your thoughts, and let's see in the next video.